Hello everyone, I am Burak Tokat and today I am introducing you the Xiaomi Mi Max 2. A nice huge phone. This is the package, the standard package from Xiaomi. I have the Mi Max 2, the global version. You get this means you have all the frequency for your telecommunication, and the updates will be get over the air. Yes, this is our package. You can see a normal package. You can see Mi Max 2 and the specs. Now we open the box and you see a huge big phone welcome us. You can see a nice big screen. Then you get the quick introducing or the introductions card. Then you might go USB Type C and the European charger. You can see the European charger, Xiaomi, the original Xiaomi charger. And that was with the unboxing, guys. Now I will show you the phone, how it does looks. Okay guys, this is our phone. Now we are beginning with the bottom. Here's the USB Type C port, the microphone, the sound speaker. Then the left side you can see there's the SIM card and the SD card input. Then over the side we have one infrared sensor, the noise cancelling microphone, and the dual speaker, the next speaker. And the left side we have the volume rockers and the power button. This is the black version. The black version is the global version. I choose it because in Europe you need the 4G network, the band 20, and because of them I choose the black version, the global version. At the back side we have the fingerprint scanner. It's very on top side, too difficult to touch it, but the fingerprint scanner is very fast, guys. The dual tone flash and the 12 megapixel Sony camera sensor, and it has the same sensor with Xiaomi Mi 6. Now I will start the phone and we will see. Before I start, I mentioned the 8 megapixel front facing camera. At the bottom we have the sensors, the touch sensors, the capacitive sensor, touch sensors, and so on. Now we will start our phone. Here is the Mi logo, you can see my logo, and we will see. Now it's very fast. It has got the Snapdragon 625, the old budget chipset, but it's quite fast. You can use it daily driver. And now our phone starts now. Yes, this is the huge Xiaomi Mi Max 2, 6.44 inch screen. Now I will start the phone, guys. I have to do the settings and I will be back. Now guys, I am back. You can see this is the screen, a full HD screen, 6.44 inch, and very huge phone. It looks very nice. You can see at the bottom the touch sensors, and this is our phone. It runs with Android 7.1.1, old Android, but you will get over updates. And the phone comes with MIUI 8.5, but when you have the global version you will get the Octa update and you will get the newest MIUI OS. And now the phone is running with MIUI 9.5.40, the stable version. and you can see I will show you the Android version, the Nougat. Yes, a nice smartphone, fast, it opens the apps fast and so on, and you can see a nice phone. I will show you the camera, how it looks like. A nice camera app. The camera is very fast and very silent. It is very good, guys. I have to say this smartphone is, when you want to watch YouTube videos or playing games or watching films, this Phablet, this smartphone is the best, and this is the best smartphone for your series and so on. It has got huge display. It is very nice, guys, and nothing to say for it. You can see the apps opening fast, like this Play Store. You can see Snapdragon device. Nothing to say. Everything is nice. The front-facing camera is nice, and it's one of the best smartphones on the market. A huge display, guys. A nice smartphone. Everything is fast. It's running fast. You look at this. Very nice. Very good details. Yes, guys, this was from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will give you a quick sound test. It has got dual speakers. Now I will open my videos. Sorry guys. Up. Here is my channel. And a quick sound test. Today I'm introducing you the Xiaomi Mi Max 2. You can hear. This is an unboxing video and impressions video. I bought this from JBS. This is Xiaomi Mi Max 2 Pro version. You can see the Pro version has. You can see it's very loud, very bass sound, and this phone is very nice. I really recommend it to you when you need a huge display, and it is very slim, guys. Look at this, very slim, very slim. It has got over 5,000 milliampere battery, and look at this phone. It is very slim. My father has got a Yukitel J3, and it has got 5,000 milliampere battery. But when you look at my channel, this Yukitel J3 is very big for his battery. But look at Xiaomi Mi Max 2, very slim, a nice phone. The design is nice, everything is nice, guys. Yes, I recommend it to all you when you need a nice smartphone with huge display and slim. The best choice is Xiaomi Mi Max 2. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and press like buttons for me.